for Class 2, Subject English, Chapter Story Time, Nina's Dream. Children, today I am going to tell you a story. The name of story is Nina's Dream. So let us begin. Nina was a little girl. She lived in a small village near Divyegarh in Konkan. Children, this story is about a little girl whose name is Nina. She lived in a small village near Divyegarh in Konkan. Children, Divyegarh is the name of a beach which is in Konkan area in Maharashtra. Her parents worked in the field. Here, field means an area of a land where we do farming. Her village was near the sea. Her brother went to the grassland to graze their cattle. Children, grassland means an area covered with wild grass. Can you see in the picture? Children, the cattle means cows and buffaloes. Cows and buffaloes likes to eat grass. So, her brother takes them to the grassland to graze them. The older girls from her lane went to bring firewood from the forest. Children, older girls means the girls who are bigger in age. So, the older girls went to forest to bring firewood. Children, firewood is the wood that is used to burn fire. Nina sat under a mango tree and watched the birds, butterflies and clouds. She too wanted to fly like them. Children, one day Nina sat under a mango tree and she was looking at the birds, butterflies and clouds. She also wanted to fly like them in the sky. When she saw fishes in the sea, she wanted to swim. Children, when Nina saw fishes in the sea, she also wanted to swim like them in the water. When she saw the sea, she wanted to cross it and see what is there on the other side. Children, looking at the sea, Nina wanted to go and look what is there on the other side of the sea. After dinner, when everyone slept in the front yard, she saw the moon, the stars and wanted to touch them. Children, when everyone in Nina's house slept after dinner, Nina was awake. She was looking at the moon and the stars and she wanted to touch them. So these were Nina's dream: to fly in the sky, to swim in water, to cross the sea and to touch the moon and stars. When her mother heard her wishes, she smiled and said, "Girls cannot do all these things." Children, when Nina told her mother about her dreams, her mother smiled and said, "Girls cannot do all these things." Nina felt, will my wishes ever come true? Children, listening to what her mother said, Nina wondered that will her dreams ever come true? Meaning, her dreams, that is, to fly in the sky, to swim in water, to cross the sea, and to touch the moon and stars. Will she ever be able to do all these things? One day, a smart lady came to their village. She had some books and a bag on her shoulder. Children, as you can see in the picture, one day a smart lady came to Nina's village. She was carrying some books and a bag on her shoulder. Nina ran to her and asked, "Who are you? Are you going to live in our village?" Children, when Nina saw a new lady in her village, she ran to her and asked, "Who are you? Are you going to live in our village?" The lady smiled and said, "Yes, I am Rutuja. I am going to live in your village." Children, the name of the lady was Rutuja, and she came to live in Nina's village. We are going to start an activity center here for the little girls like you. Children, Rutuja said Nina that they are going to start an activity center in the village. The activity center is for the little girls like Nina. I also lived and went to school in a small village like this. Children, Rutuja shared with Nina that she also lived and went to school in a small village like this. Nina was happy. She held Rutuja's hand and took her home. She offered her some tea and laddus. Children, after listening to Rutuja's story and the plan of activity center, Nina was very happy. She held Rutuja's hand and took her home. Also, she gave her some tea and laddus to eat. Rutuja said, "Thank you, Nina. I am a pilot, but I have left the job because I want to teach different things to the little girls from villages." Children, Rutuja thanked Nina for the tea and laddus. Rutuja also shared with Nina that she is a pilot, but she left her job because she wanted to teach different kinds of things to little girls from villages. A pilot? Really? Nina was jumping with joy. See, mother, girls can fly. Children, Nina was surprised that Rutuja is a pilot. Listening to this, she was very happy. Also, she was jumping with joy. Nina, being full of joy, told her mother that, see, girls can also fly. Rutuja smiled and said, they can sail across the ocean too. Children, listening to Nina, Rutuja smiled and said, they can sail across the ocean too. Means girls can also sail the ship across the ocean. Mother too was very happy. Nina ran out to tell everyone about the activity center. Children, listening to Nina and Rutuja, Mother was very happy. Nina then ran outside the house to tell everybody about the activity center. So children, this was all about the story Nina's Dream.